Lobster dinner along with a chef. If you enjoy my video, please subscribe, then press the bell button to receive notifications when a new video arrives. And don't forget to click on that like button and share it with your friends and family. For my anniversary dinner, I'm making a very special Indian dessert called Semiya Kheer. It is vermicelli pudding. I have been boiling this milk for in a very low flame for about more than an hour now. So it's become thick and caramelized and ready to receive the vermicelli and sugar and the rest of the good stuff. So the first thing is I have here a cup of roasted vermicelli. I'm going to just put them here. And of course I need to turn on my gas. And I also have a cup of sugar. This dessert is going to be rich and luscious and utterly delectable, and Yanis is going to really love it. I'll add more sugar if needed, but this is the foundation for a great vermicelli kheer. That is bubbling away a little bit and my semiya vermicelli are cooking. I'll move on to my next step, which is the asparagus. Asparagus is a very good complement for my lobster dinner. Both asparagus and lobster are match made in heaven, and they both are supposedly aphrodisiacs. So it's going to be excellent. My griddle is hot and honey. While my asparagus is cooking, it's time for me to get my lobsters out. I already had my butcher cut the lobsters in the front so that I can butterfly them. Just gently pull the meat out and place it on the top like this. I'll just wipe this clean with a, I already had washed it. I just wanted to dry it and wipe it once again. So this is a natural bed for the lobster tail flesh. We'll do the same thing with the second one as well. Just slide your finger inside, loosen the flesh, bring it up. And then set it on the top of this shell and the natural bed that lobster already has. Be careful about your finger. It can get a little tricky bringing it out, but not that hard. Here comes the lobster. For the lobster, I have melted a stick of butter here. I'm going to put a little bit of that on the top. And we'll close it. And I have a few condiments here. A teaspoonful of dill, finely chopped into my butter. Some smoked paprika, some garlic and a zest of a lemon. I'm going to use this. Some salt and pepper. So this is the pepper, I made it myself. And then some salt. And this will be the perfect accompaniment for my lobster. Wow, this smells so good. When my lobsters and asparagus are cooking, just came here to check how's my dessert doing. It's doing great. Let's close this and wait for this. And let me check. I think my asparagus are done. Wow, they're done. Let me pick them with a little bit of salt and pepper. Pepper. Some salt. Awesome. Let this wait here. Let's check our lobster. I'm going to just turn it around onto the hot griddle. Lobster cooks very quickly, so need to be vigilant. Couple of minutes on a hot griddle and that's all it takes. Get some of this beautiful butter here. Put on top of this. You guys, I wish you were here. This is such a special meal. Put some more. This heavenly butter. These lobsters are yummy and they're ready. Time to assemble my plate. I already made soft rice. The rice is a very nice accompaniment for lobster dinner. Yes, pack it in and first plate. That's the first one. Let's bring it here and do our assembly. We put on the top of the rice this heavenly butter mixed with all this goodness. Get some of this excellent veggies here. Just drizzle it with some more of this heavenly butter. And if you want to present your lobster along with the tail, you can just take this, put it in here, and arrange it. And that's your lobster dinner along with the shell.
What a nice surprise. Oh, baby. Thank you very much.
And here's your favorite champagne.
Absolutely. Oh, it's a nice one.
Nothing but the best for you.
Let's open it.
Many happy returns of the day.
Many happy returns.
Wish you happy anniversary.
Eat my love. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Let me just give it a try first. The lobster.
Oh my. Wow. I think this is the best lobster I've ever had.
Oh, look at it.
I'm not kidding.
Look, just the rice. Oh my. The rice is better than lobster.
Yeah.
Last finishing touches for the Semiya Kheer. Let me put a blob of clarified butter. If you don't have it, you can stick in a stick of butter and wait for it to melt. I'm going to have, while the butter is melting, I'm going to have a handful of raisins, a handful of thinly sliced almonds to give the texture and the crunchiness, and a few pistachios. I'm going to pound them. In goes the pistachios. And the next step is I'm going to take a few cardamoms. I'm also going to drop in a few cloves into this liquid. I'm going to get rid of these husks. You can stick them in your sugar jar and it will become cardamom sugar. Cardamom is a quintessential Indian flavor, and where I grew up in India, from the southern part of India, we grew the cardamoms and cloves. So very familiar, and a flavor and a smell that I really appreciate. These are the garnishes. In they go here. My Semiya Kheer is ready. It's time to serve. Wow. This is really nice and luxurious, rich dessert. I'm going to sprinkle in a few strands of saffron. This is one of the most expensive and much sought after spices in the world.
Oh my God. It's so saffron.
Saffron and cardamom. It has cloves. Wow, it's good. It's rich and luxurious. The best thing just for you.
A gift from Mother India.